You should be aware of your surroundings now that you've arrived at work. And Billy's going to go ahead and exit the car as he normally does every day. And then let's see how he does that and we can talk about it. So as you can see, Billy is somewhat in a rush, and he grabbed his bag, he grabbed his things to get into the office, swung his leg out the door, stood up quickly, closed the door, and rushed on into the office. But of course, as we talked about, he should have observed that it was snowing and it's cold out, especially in the morning, early in the morning, when it's certainly going to be below freezing. This ground, it looks like the parking lot's been cleared, but clearly there's a good chance that it could be very slippery. So let's talk about how he could do this differently. So one of the things that we would recommend is he put his backpack in the back of the car. Put it on the back seat or whatever your goods are that you need to carry into the building. Go ahead and get into your vehicle so that it's as if you arrived in the morning. And now when he goes ahead and opens up the door, what we're going to ask him is to wait a second and push the door all the way open, swing both feet out onto the ground, and using the car as a brace, hold on to either the door or the door and the door frame. Make sure he's got a good footing before he completely exits the vehicle. Then he can go ahead and get to the back door, again holding onto the vehicle for support, grab what he needs, and then make his way into the office. So using techniques like this lower your risk of slipping. Getting back into the vehicle at the end of the day is a similar process, where again, if it's still snowing out, he should go ahead and put his stuff into the back of the car. And when he goes to get into the car, use the car as a brace. So put his back to the car and go ahead and get onto the seat that way with both feet, and then swing the feet in. That gives you the best ability to stay stable, to brace yourself, and prevent an accidental slip and a fall.